Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have Sephora Play. I can't lift it more because I can't get my label off the front. Let's get in here and see what I've got. Sephora Play is a $10 per month beauty box and we generally get 5 tiny little samples, and I say that every month. The beauty is it's from Sephora. So if you're a Sephora shopper, which I am, it gives you the opportunity to actually try the brands that Sephora carries. This isn't something that you're going to have to use for long periods of time. It is literally a great sample box if you like to try new products. You know, some of Boxy and Ipsy, you get big products, you can actually use them. This is literally basically a try me service. And like I said, it's $10 a month. You just go onto the Sephora website and sign up for the Play by Sephora box, and it comes monthly. This is what the inside looks like, and this is the paper that we get that tells us everything that's in our box. Now, the interesting part about this paper is a couple of months ago, they went to not giving us, they used to give us 50 extra beauty insider points that whenever you went to the store and made a purchase, or you could do it online, you would get 50 extra beauty insider points if you put the code in. They're not doing that anymore. And here's our very festive purple bag, which while it matches my room, it's December. It should be red or green, right? Oh, and something underneath that didn't fit in the little purple bag. I don't think I've ever had that before. I can tell that the Becca samples that I got, there's a flaw in their program, although it's still sealed. It came apart because of the way they folded it. I will stick it right back down because if I'm going to try one of the colors, this is indeed the color I'm going to try. Before we get into that, let's read our pamphlet and see what we have happening this month. It says, and the Play Award goes to... The competition was fierce, but these are the beauty winners that rose to the top this year. And I'm not real sure what they're telling me here. Lifetime Achievement Award, Black Mascara. MVP, your beauty sidekicks. And the other side tells us what we have in the box, and that's what we care about. So back to this Becca. It is the Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. This full coverage foundation lets you be seen. Full in coverage, light in weight, always breathable, non-acnogenic, won't clog pores all day, every day. And they've given us a First Light priming too. So this is a primer, and then you get to choose one of these 3 colors. That is not really universal. We have Alabaster, which, as it turns out, I am indeed usually Alabaster. You know what? I've said this isn't very universal, but I bet that they've sent, I like to think that they've sent other people with darker skin tones, darker samples. Okay, so the paperwork tells us about that it is the bonus for this month. It doesn't really count as one of the 5 products that we received. It says that the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, and in light, so see, they did know what they were doing. I got the light samples. Sweat, water, and humidity are no match for this buildable full coverage foundation with radiant natural finish that lasts for up to 24 hours. Okie dokie. Let's get in the bag and see what we got. First, I have a Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. That is so cute. I love the Fresh Rose product. We got the Fresh Soy Cleanser in our Boxy Lux, and I have been using that, and I am loving it. This, however, if you're watching, Mother, I'm going to pass along to my mother because she has been wanting to try some of the Fresh products. And this is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. It is a good size sample. Let's see how full it is because this is several days worth if it's fairly, oh, it is completely full. I mean, that is, and it's not a real high bottom. That is a very nice sample. I would say kudos to Sephora, but I suspect it's a fluke, and I need to say kudos to Fresh. Let's see what the paperwork says. Rose Deep Hydration Moisturizer. This lightweight gel cream is a moisture magnet. It delivers intense hydration for up to 24 hours and contains ingredients to soothe dry skin. Well, that is really interesting. So we have had 2 products so far, and they want us in both of them for up to 24 hours. So maybe they know how busy we are this holiday season. I need to put my thumbs away. What's with my thumbs today? I'm like... Next, I have, ooh, another big sample. What the what? Ouai I don't know if you guys watch me on the regular, you've heard me talk about, I love the Ouai hair products, the styling products. I haven't found a shampoo and conditioner that I like the smell of yet, but the styling products, love them all. This is a body cream. Look how big this is, guys. I mean, for Sephora, this is huge. Huge, I mean, by Sephora standards. Let us see. It says, Ouai body cream. Talk about the creme de la creme. This whipped body moisturizer quickly absorbs without leaving any greasy residue and delivers soft, hydrated skin. Let's get in here. We are definitely trying this because if it smells nice, I'm so excited. This one isn't quite as full. You can see how it's low down, but I mean, for a sample from Sephora, it is not bad at all. I'm going to put it up here because I just did my Margot Elena box. If you haven't seen that, you should go over and look. It's just such a beautiful box. But my hands are very well moisturized and they smell lovely. So I will try it on my arm. Oh, that smells, does that smell good? No, it does. I have to tell you, the initial was, does that smell like hairspray? But I think that I just use so many Ouai products now that I anticipate that their scents smell like hair products. No, it has dried down. My arm feels fantastic. I'm going to try it again all over my body and I will get back to you guys, but it smells a little bit like hairspray to me. If you have tried this Ouai body creme or you got it in your Sephora box this month, let me know. What do you think? Does it smell like hairspray? I think it does. Reaching in next, I have, funny we just talked about this, the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. That is a really nice sample size, and I'm excited to have this because I have started using it, like I said, and we're going to Disney in about a month, so this will be great to take. It is 20 ml, which is 0.6 fluid ounces, so it's about half an ounce. And this says, this cleanser is anything but washed up. The formula removes dirt and makeup without stripping the skin of essential moisture. Amino acid-rich soy proteins help maintain elasticity, and cucumber extract soothes skin, and rosewater calms and balances. I find all of that to be true. I am thoroughly enjoying this. It's a gel, and it isn't my favorite scent. It leans hard on that cucumber. Cucumber scents are not my favorite scent, but I like the product so well that I'm just pushing past it. Next I have Stila Stay All Day, a waterproof liquid eyeliner in intense black. And that is what that looks like. Let's see what this says. Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner. Don't call it a comeback. This liner has been a favorite from the start thanks to its easy to use, marker-like tip and long-wearing formula. What's there to say? It's black eyeliner. I have just gone on a rant about black eyeliners. I received them in both of my Boxycharm boxes. They come in everything. If you choose to get subscription boxes, you are going to end up with a plethora of black eyeliners. And last but not least that I'm playing with here is this adorable little Bite Beauty lippy. And this says it's in Sake. I'm not going to swatch this because I am 99% confident I have it downstairs, that I have received it. Yeah, I feel like I have definitely received this color. Let me show you guys. That is what it looks like. It is super pretty. I mean, it's a very berry color. It's a color like I would like, but I think I have it, so I will leave it so that I can pass it on. And let me tell you about it. It says that the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick in Sake. Roll out the red carpet for this dusty mauve high impact lipstick. That's why I knew I had it, because it's a dusty mauve and it's a color that I like and I do use, but I have so many lippies, guys. This creamy formula cares for your lips with nutrients, vitamins, and omega oils. Okay, that is my Sephora bag. So as our bonus, we received this new 24-hour wear Becca foundation, which I will absolutely try, and I will do them the courtesy of trying with their own primer so we can see if we like it. We got the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, which I am using and loving. We have the little Amuse Bouche Lippy that I just told you about, the Stila Black Eyeliner, this Ouai body cream, which I will use on my whole body, and I will report back whether I believe I smell like hairspray. Also, again, if you've received this, let me know what you think. And I have the Fresh Rose Hydrator, Moisturizer. That is what you get from Sephora. You get fairly small samples, although I will admit this month they are not tiny like they usually are. I mean, these are bigger samples than we usually receive from Sephora. It's not bad. Another black eyeliner. But other than that, it's a pretty nice box. So I think it's worthwhile. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming by. I hope you are having a great day. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you all really soon.